So when did you start to learning speaking English?
It has been more than 1 year. And when
Uh,
did you start your speaking journey?
I started to learn speaking English 4 months ago.
Very good afternoon. How have you been? How is everything going?
Good afternoon. Yeah, everything is going very well. What about you?
Yes, I'm also doing pretty well. So we are meeting for the very first time. Let us introduce each other. Where are you from? From, may I know?
Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh. What about you?
Okay. Yes, I'm from India. Oh my God, there is a power cut. Doing pretty well. So today is the second day of 2025. How did you spend your first January in this year?
Yeah, thank you for asking me. Actually, I didn't celebrate at all, and
Mhm.
I didn't do anything. So, what about you? Did you
Yes,
celebrate?
I also no, I also didn't do a lot of things. Actually, I had conversation with co-learners. I spoke with others, but I didn't celebrate in that way. What usually people do. Do you celebrate? Usually, what do you do on 1st January? Do you go for picnic? What do you do?
Actually, in my life, I didn't celebrate
Hmm.
any. I can say.
Yes, yes.
Actually, I don't feel like.
Same. I also don't like. I also
Okay.
don't like gathering people and going outside with friends and going for picnic with family. I also don't like this kind of thing. So can I say you are not a kind of person who is social? Are you a kind of person who is really introvert?
No, I'm not. Yes, you can say I'm introvert. I'm not extrovert. I
Hmm.
don't go outside, and I don't meeting with my friends. Yeah. So what about you?
Okay. Yes, I'm also a kind of person who doesn't like to spend much time with others. I love to spend time with myself only. Whenever I'm getting time, I just try to learn something. I want to see myself a successful person. So I always try to utilize my time properly. I do not engage myself in merry-making things, like in fun things. I do not engage myself in such kind of things. I always keep myself away from those kind of things. So
Okay. So
yeah.
okay. So do you have any plan in this year? You wanna doing something good? You wanna achieve something good in this year? Do you have any plan?
Yes, I have a few plans. I don't know whether I will be it or not. So as I have completed all my degrees, so I'm looking for a government job. So I have decided that I will complete the syllabus thoroughly.
Okay.
What
So
which exam?
already you completed
Which
your study.
yes, I have completed all my studies.
Okay. So what do you do for your life right now?
Right now, I teach online as well as offline. That is what
Okay.
my profession you can say.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you teaching at school or at your home?
No, I teach at home. I don't teach in. I'm not associated with any kind of institutions.
Okay. So which subject do you
So
teach?
English. I completed my Bachelor of Arts and Master of Arts in English Literature, and I have also completed BA. So that's it. That is the reason I teach English.
Okay.
So
So I
what do
can
you do?
yeah, I can say you are really good at English. Actually, I'm a student right now. I'm doing study. Besides my study, I'm
Mm-hmm.
doing a job at a school as English teacher.
Oh,
Like,
great.
yeah.
Oh, great. So how
Okay.
long have you been in this profession? Or how long it has been you were teaching?
I have been teaching for 2 months.
Two
Just
months.
I
Okay, great.
just I started.
Oh, great. So how is your experience in this field? Are you enjoying?
Yeah. Well, yeah. I'm really enjoying teaching my student, and my experience. I can say my experience is really good. And if anyone give me chance to teach any kinds of institution, I can do.
Okay, great.
Okay, you
Okay.
really.
Yes,
So
the power is back.
okay, so when did you start to learning speaking English?
It has been more than 1 year. I have started my English speaking journey. It has been more than 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah,
Okay,
more than 1 year.
it has been a long time.
Yes, it has been long. And when
Okay.
did you start your speaking journey?
I started to learn speaking English 4 months ago.
4 months ago. Okay.
Yeah. month ago.
So, do you know any application on which application learners can practice?
Actually, I know two platform. Which platform beginner can learn speaking English. The first platform name is OpenTalk, and in there
Okay.
anybody can speak in English with any persons. They and the second platform is Skype. Now I'm using this platform
Mhm.
for my growing my speaking English.
Okay, these two applications you know.
Yeah. So
Okay.
do you know anything else?
Yes, I when I started my speaking journey, that time I used three applications: Fluency, CV, and Hybro. I used all those applications. Three applications I used. So those applications are quite good. If somebody wants to be fluent in this language, then definitely they can use and they can become fluent in this language. They can use those platforms. Those are good.
Can you share with me when did you start to learn speaking English, and that time what types of work did you what types of work you do for improving your speaking English?
Yes, so when I started learning spoken English, that time I used to make a lot of sentences. I learned grammar rules very well, and I used to make a lot of sentences in simple present tense and in present continuous, present perfect continuous. I used to make a lot of sentences that helped me, and listening also helped me a lot. So one can listen a lot to others. While you are
Okay,
listening, you will unknowingly pick up things. So you can
okay,
listen a lot. That can help you.
listen to me. I have to go right now. My mother is calling me, and sorry for
Okay,
sorry.
okay, okay, sure. No issue. Okay, okay, no issues.